Here is an 89 Ford Bronco 2. Currently, I'm replacing the ignition switch because it would turn with no key in it, got left in the accessory position or something, and drained the battery. Kind of tricky on the old school guys. The pin's down in this location there. See the pin there? And that is this channel right here, which is up underneath inside there at an angle. You got to get a bent pick in there to push on that while it's in the run position. Putting her back in is a little easier. Just put it in the run position and slide that thing home. There we go, she's locked in. Run this trigger wire down there. I had to extend it because the other one was a little bit too short. All right, this battery here has 12.52 volts, and I'm going to do a parasitic draw test. I'm like, it's jumping, it's jumping. Well, yeah, it's freaking hazards are still on. Door's closed. Everything's closed and off to my knowledge. Nothing. No draw. Let's go get it started. Also, I'd like to point out, this is one of those scenarios where you hook up the positive terminal first because we're going to be touching the frame here, and if we were grounded out to the battery already, we'd be sparking. So you want to get the positive first, and then the ground, because at that point, if we hit the ground, it won't really make too many sparks. Been a while since she started. I don't know how that's going to go or how bad this gas is. She's going to knock. Engine knock there. Get she'll idle by herself. He's overcharging, that's okay. And my customers always bring me coffee.